Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, reading po ito for Libra Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Be sure naka-follow kayo sa aming page. And please hit the notification bell, guys. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and share. So, let's start for the sign of Libra. Guys, may pa-raffle ako na reading ha. Sa July 20, yung raffle draw niya. Kung gusto mong malaman kung paano ka makasali doon, punta ka na lang sa Facebook page namin. Madam P. Madam Space P. Ayan. Or doon sa aming isang page, Sibol. Bandang Sibol. I-search mo yan. Bukalista ako ng Bandang Sibol, guys. Pasensya ka na medyo nag-ano yung aking boses. Kasi kagigising ko lang actually. So, let's start. Sana okay lang po ang lahat kasi balita ko yung iba ay medyo nagbabagyo ngayon sa Philippines. The Emperor, the World, and the Ace of Wands. Ayan, medyo lutang pa tayo, no? And Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, Libra. I feel like you are showing kung ano yung mga bagay na mapapakita mo pa sa mundo. Like, you are being open ngayon kasi you're creating something sa buhay mo, sa sarili mo. With the Ace of Wands, this could be something new beginnings. And pwede may kinalaman sa business or Ace of Cups could be something you love or something about yourself na mamahalin ng ibang tao or ikaw or maybe new love. I don't know, but for what I can see here, it's you na ipinapakita mo lahat ng kaya mong ipakita. And that's the best version of you, yourself. Na nakikita natin marami ang nagugulat, marami ang nakikita yung version mo na ito na parang for them kakaiba and nakakatuwa. No, hindi ko akalain. Parang ganun. Hindi nila akalain na may maipapakita ka pang ganyan. So, you're just being true to yourself na mas mamahalin ng iba. Yung iba, it could be a bad version of you or, hindi naman bad version, bad yung wild version of you or sabihin na natin version mo na pwedeng cool, sabihin na natin ganun. Basta palaban. And marami ang natutuwa or nagugustuhan itong version mo na ito. No? So, sino ba the person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? You go over the lovers. This is Gemini energy, 8 of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. One more card. So, pwedeng may relationship kayo nitong person na to or may connection sa inyo. Could be the King of Swords. Hindi ko alam pero nakakakita ko ng parang itsurong may sakit. So, I don't know kung yung person na nakakonect mo karelasyon mo could be someone na may parang itsurong may sakit. Or literal na siya ay may sakit. And 10 of Wands and I feel like marami kayong pagkakaiba nitong person na to. The 8 of Cups is here. So, I feel like itong person na to is throwing away itong mga negative comments or negative thinking about you. Marami na siyang parang nakita sa'yo na parang hindi maganda na parang, or mga inisip niya na hindi maganda na parang ngayon medyo nababago na yung mga yon. The Fool, this person is focusing sa kung ano pa yung mas mai-increase or maiaangat maybe ng relationship ninyo or ng connections ninyo or siya mismo kung paano pa siya magkakaroon ng pag-angat sa sarili niya. This person is willing to take the risk. Emotions, your emotion para dito sa person to, you do have here the Fool, Knight of Cups. You love this person. Death card and the 3 of Swords. I feel like There's this, uh, some of you, there's a third party situation na nangyayari dito, Three of Swords and the Death card. And if ever na mayroon pwedeng nag-end na itong third party situation na to, or yung pag-iisip, whether yung third party situation is nasa side mo, nasa side niya, pwedeng ganun, parang nag-end na or tinatapos na yung pag-iisip regarding dito. And then you are loving this new version of yourself. And pwedeng itong person na kakonect mo is also the same. Mas nagugustuhan mo yung new version niya sa sarili niya. Whatever toxic things ang nasa paligid niya, parang hindi na kayo masyadong nagpapa-apekto dito. Maybe, yung iba na hindi new connections to, maybe, naging mas matibay yung relationships ninyo. So, kung may relasyon na kayo, so mas nagiging mas matibay. Hindi lahat makaka-relate, guys. Anong emotion ng taong ito for you? It's a match, Two of Cups. So, feeling niya you both match. And Temperance is here. So, this person is really obsessed with you. Sa inyong dalawa, Knight of Swords, this person could be also, ganun talaga siya. Kumbaga, alam niya sa sarili yan, pag gusto niya talaga, ipupush niya yon. The Hermit is here. So, I feel like pinoprotektahan. Ito yung person na magpoprotekta sa'yo. Kumbaga parang hindi, wala sa itsura niya, pero siya yung tipo ng tao na magre-risk ng life para sa'yo, or magre-risk ng, sabi ko nga kanina, this person is a risk taker. And pagdating sa'yo, talaga mag-take siya ng risk. So, definitely, mahal ka niya. Importante siya sa'yo. And there's a lot of passion wala dito sa person na to. Talagang gustong-gusto ka niya. Physically attracted sa'yo itong tao to. Kahit anong itsura mo, guys. Whatever your insecurities para dito sa person na ito, that is your beauty. You are beautiful inside and out. And kung ano man yung mga kaya mo pang ipakita, whatever kind of, basta ikaw yan. Kumbaga, halimbawa, isa sa tingin mo, ikay pumangit or what, para sa kanya, hindi. Sa akin, you're still beautiful kasi ikaw yan. Kumbaga, ganun. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? Six of Cups is here. So, nakita tayo dito ng growth sa connection and judgment. So, a lot of lessons, a lot of tough ones, plano, no? Regarding sa home, properties. This is medyo malalim or mature na plano. And in the future, it could be something with regards to properties or the Seven of Swords is here, mga something na bibilhin. And yung iba, kung hindi man properties, mga something na medyo pricey, of course, and that will be your possession. No? Of course, pag binili mo. Pero hindi siya basta-basta. But I feel like may mga plano na ganyan in the near future. So, there's growth definitely for the both of you. Ayan, more on plano. Changes, kung naman yung mga maliliit, biglang lalaki. Nakakita tayo dito ng Three of Pentacles. Finances is included sa mga lalaki na yan. Maganda, the more you love each other, the more na mas manonotice ninyo with the Four of Pentacles na mas magiging maganda yung kinakalabasan financially ng connection ninyo. Kasi parang hindi lang siya basta nag-grow, but rather mas nagiging I don't know, it feels like it feels like parang with the Eight of Wands, it feels like yung connection na ito, the more na pinupush nyo yung limits ninyo sa isa't isa individually, the more na mas nag-grow yung relationship, the more na mas nag-grow yung finances. And in the future, Nine of Wands, marami ang nakikita nating blessings na dumadating sa inyo. The Nine of Wands, it's supposed to be challenges, pero hindi ko nakikita yun as challenges. Mas nakikita ko ito as beauty na pumapaligid sa inyo. No? Mararamdaman ninyo, parang I feel blessed. Parang ganito, bakit ganito? Parang napapalibutan ako ng mga tao and blessings na kusang dumadating sa akin. Mararamdaman nyo yan pareho. The more na pinupush nyo yung sarili ninyo sa limits ninyo, the more na ini-improve ninyo yung bawat isa. Hindi yung mismong relationship or yung connection, pero yung individual, no? You and this person as an individual, no? So, yeah, ikakagulat na lang na lahat yan. Yung mga mare-reveal sa buhay ninyo. And kahit kayo magugulat kayo sa sarili ninyo sa maipapakita nyo sa iba. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.